It's going to show you how to Dockerize a React app and deploy it in Elastic Beanstalk. So once this is installed, you're pretty much going to create a Docker file, and that's what it's called, Docker file, pretty much. Yeah, cool. So now I'm going to open in Visual Studio Code. So, so this is pretty much the same here. Everything's the same. Node 10.12. You can also verify this by checking node version, node-v. So just put whatever's in here into here. And then create a Docker ignore file so that you don't add these to the Docker building. So yeah. Also, okay, so now we're gonna try to build it. Docker build -t pro portfolio. Actually, I'll show you guys this first, what it looks like. The code in here you can work with. I have images, components. You can just change all that stuff if you want. In this case, it's just a tutorial on how to Dockerize a React app, so I could cover this later, how to build a React app, I guess. So my website is starting right here. Cool. So yeah, I use Bootstrap for this. And then I have like some sliding carousel. Click about, you can see all the stuff. It's just lorem ipsum, older text. This is projects. Put in projects in here. Links. You can add your LinkedIn, GitHub, Facebook, whatever. Yeah. All right. So now I've showed you that. So I'm going to clear this. Stop our project. And now I'm going to build it. So I'm going to write docker build -t pro portfolio dot. So now it's building. It's pretty much running everything in this Docker file we have here. So it says gets the node version number. Step 2, creates a working directory and app, copies all the files into that app. Now it's installing it just like we did earlier. Press enter. It's going to take a while to install it. All right, it's almost done. All right, cool, it's done. So now I have my pro portfolio right here, and you can see the size of it, when it was created, things like that. Yeah, I did this a while ago too, see. All right, I'm gonna say docker run -p 8081 3000 pro portfolio, and it's gonna run the same way. See, React script starts. So It's gonna do like npm start pretty much. And now this specifies a proxy 8081. It's just a port we can use for development, and it's putting on port. It's exposing port 3000. So we're running on port 3000. Okay. But see, since it's on a proxy, it's not going to be on 3000, it's going to be 8081. Cool. So it works. Great. Oh, I guess it is on 3000 too. Oh, no, it's not. That was just the old one. Get out of the way. Cool. All right, that's all done now. I'm going to stop this. All right. So I guess it's not stopping, but it's all right. Just close it. There we go. It stopped. All right. So we don't have to add. Only do this if you made changes on your Docker or on any of the files and you want to update it, you know. But make sure to do that every time before you initialize the Elastic Beanstalk. So I'm going to write eb init. We'll create a new application. Just press enter through these. Yes, we're using Docker. No, we're not using code commit. We don't have to put SSH up right now. So now I'm going to write eb create. Pretty much select default for all of these. All right. Cool. All right, I think it's done. It says save to Control C, so I can exit out of this. I will also see in here if I go to Elastic Beanstalk. It will show here. So right now it's building. You can see this as well. Cool. I'm going to Control C here. This is going to take a while to do. But yeah, we're building the server in Docker. Great. Look how easy that was. Just eb deploy, eb use, environment name. Oh yeah, okay. I did eb create. All right. So the environment name is professional portfolio dev. So it's not deployed yet, but it's still building. Also, I want you to notice that it says it's building an S3 storage bucket. So if you delete this, or I mean, if it's running, it's creating a S3 storage bucket for all your data. So that might increase costs of AWS as well. So just remember that if you're trying to save costs, you need to go and delete that stuff. If you're just doing this for testing, it's also creating security groups, auto scaling group, launch, auto scaling, launch configuration, things like this. Just take note because CloudWatch alarm as well. CloudWatch is pretty cool if you want to change costs or reduce costs on your server. All right. It's not running yet. Creating a load balancer as well. So it's adding an instance. So you can also see this in EC2. And it's running right here. See if we're working. All right, bad gateway. So it's not totally configured yet. Now this is just a static website, so I haven't done any backend in here yet, but I could show you guys how to do that later on. Just comment below. Also like the video and subscribe if it helped you. Would really appreciate it. All right, it's running. Great. So it still says 502 bad gateway. So what I need to do is go here. Okay, I'm going to use EBUs. Say that, EB deploy. All right, so now okay, it says it must be ready. All right, let's see this. Go back to Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, it's not ready yet. It lied to me. Well, all right, oh, it says it's running. Okay, so I didn't even have to say EBUs that, but it's running. Cool. So it does it all for us, I guess. All right, it successfully launched the environment. So as you can see, proof that it's working. My Docker, this is a React app inside of a Docker container using AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So environment's good. You can see here it says Docker running on 64-bit Amazon Linux. Health is okay, and it's running a version. It's going to create a version for you each time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, you can type in EB open as well if you want to just try it out from your command prompt. Cool. Also, you can visit the website at the IP address, or if you need to route it to the IP address, you just go into EC2 and find the public IP here. Pretty much paste and go. It's going to bring you to the same. Actually, I don't think it will do that yet. So if you want to do that, you have to go to the security groups. So what you want to do for that is find the security group name. I'll copy this. Actually, just click it. All right. So if you want people to access it, you say right there, access from anywhere, save it, boom, we're ready to go. Now you can route a different IP to it. I mean, not an IP, a domain name. Yeah, domain name. Whew, there we go. Awesome. So if I wanted to like route a domain name to this IP address, I would just go to Route 53, or I could use Google Domains. It really doesn't matter what service you're using, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helps.